Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to print your computer screen on Windows 10 or Windows 11 without using the print screen button on your keyboard. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So one method you could do is using the on-screen keyboard. So in order to do that, search in the search menu for on-screen keyboard. Best result should come back with the on-screen keyboard. Go ahead and open that up. And then at this point, you can select the PRTSCN button, which is short for print screen. So you went ahead and select that. Then you can go ahead and actually create a screen snipping, or you can select one of the buttons up at the top here to select free-form mode. You can also have the options to do a windowed mode, so if you have a specific window you want to take a screen clipping of, you can do that. Or you can also just select the first option, which is rectangular mode. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And it has been saved to your clipboard. So again, pretty straightforward process here. One other thing we can try, or a couple other methods that we can utilize, would be to tap the Windows, Shift, and the S key, so those three keys on your keyboard at the same time. So the Windows key probably looks like a little mini Windows icon. You want to select that, the Shift key and the S key all at the same time, so tap them all at the same time on your keyboard here. And again, that'll open up the print screen options. And then finally, one other thing we can try here would be actually just to open up the snipping tool itself. So in order to utilize that method, just search for a snipping tool in the search menu. Best match, you'll come back with snipping tool. Go ahead and open that up. And there you go, guys. At this point, go ahead and create a snipping of your screen. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.